Last month, a faceless YouTube channel made over $12,000. And the craziest part, they didn't show their face. They didn't record their voice. So, how are they doing this? In this video, I'll break down the exact step-by-step method that beginners are using right now to build faceless channels, and how you can start today. This is called a faceless YouTube channel. No camera, no personal brand, no face, just simple content made using stock footage, screen recordings, AI visuals, and short edited clips. And believe it or not, some of these channels are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars every single month. Here's the truth. People don't care about your face, they care about what they get from your video. If your content is entertaining, relatable, or valuable, they will watch. That's why this method works so well. No camera fear, no confidence issues, just content that delivers value. Step 1. Pick a viral topic. First, you need the right topic. Don't post random videos. Focus on niches that always work. Money, success, motivation, facts, lifestyle. Go on YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok. Find what's already trending, and instead of copying, make a better version. Step 2. Get video clips. Pinterest plus safe method. Now let's talk about where to get videos. Most beginners use Pinterest, and yes, you can use it too, but here's the correct way. First, screen record the video, then don't use it directly. Instead, cut it into small 1 to 2 second clips. Zoom in or crop it, change speed, add effects, and most importantly, mix it with other clips. You can also combine it with free stock videos to make your content look completely original. This step is very important if you want to stay safe and grow. Step 3. Write a powerful script. This is the most important part. Your script decides everything. Start with a strong hook, like, "This mistake is keeping you broke." Then explain something simple and relatable. Keep your sentences short. Make it emotional. Make people feel something, and always end with a clear message. And Step 4. Add AI voiceover. You don't need to record your voice. Use AI voice. Choose a deep American accent voice so your video sounds professional. Your goal is to make your content feel premium even if you're a beginner. Step 5. Edit like a pro. Now bring everything together. Use a simple editing app like CapCut. Add your clips. Add your voiceover. Add subtitles. Use fast cuts, zoom effects, and a dark theme. Always add subtitles because most people watch without sound. Step 6. Upload the right way. Once your video is ready, upload it on YouTube. Use a catchy title, a simple but clean thumbnail, and relevant keywords. Don't overcomplicate it, just post and move on to the next video. This is where most people fail. They post 2 or 3 videos and then they stop. But the people making money, they post every single day. 1 or 2 videos daily is enough. Consistency beats talent every single time. So if you've been waiting to start, this is your sign. You don't need a camera, you don't need confidence, you don't need money. You just need to start. And if you want more strategies like this, follow Rich's mind. Because your journey to financial freedom starts now. Don't watch opportunities, create them. Never forget, like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video.